it's an easy fix. We're gonna get some more sandpaper on this, and we'll do that in episode. We're on 4 now, so 5. Next episode we'll get some, sand the rest of this body, get it all nice and clean. But we're gonna finish this video by filling in this horrific cavity, this monstrosity, it's just pure ugly, and it has to be fixed, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you look right here, there's this nasty crater that appeared when I was sanding it. So there was just I didn't even get real deep right there, so my sanding kind of starts right there, right? And it just kind of goes down from there. But yeah, right there, it was just a thin layer of wood over that, and now there's a huge pothole, crater, crack, whatever you want to call that, in my guitar body. So we're gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. But all right, so we're gonna fill this giant hole, right? So I'm gonna take my handy dandy wood glue from Walmart, and I'm gonna take the sawdust that you see me in the other videos and previously in this video with my Ryobi 18 Plus shop vac vacuum cleaner, whatever the tool's called. I got all the sawdust from there. It's a good thing I saved that and didn't throw it away. I'm gonna mix the wood glue with the sawdust, mix that up. I'm gonna fill that in, and it's gonna be a nice, good filler for the wood. So, what? So we're just gonna mix that in there. Probably a lot of wood, probably a lot more than we actually need, but we'll just see what happens here. I'm gonna use a lot of glue. I'm gonna stir it up. Got this plastic knife. All right, we're gonna use a lot more wood glue in this solution. I'm gonna get it good and saturated. Sometimes you make a little mess. It's all good. It's all good. Trying to squeeze in here. Basically making like a putty kind of consistency with the sawdust, and I think we'll put some more in there.
Mix it a little bit more.
Alright, so we kind of have this muddy consistency, yeah. And we're just gonna put in that hole and see how well that works for us.
Oh, it's chunky.
Because it is chunky. I don't have to wash my hands, it's okay. Do what? There, you can spread it, yeah. You want to use your finger? Alright, use your finger. Kind of like press it down into the hole. This is my daughter.
Yep. My name's
She's not in the videos usually, but she is today. She's the co-host of today's episode, Building a Guitar. And this will dry. We'll be able to sand right over that, so it'll be pretty good. Alright, so what have we done since the last time we worked on this guitar? Let's recap. So we had this spot right here on the guitar. That was a huge crater. Tried to fill that thing with wood glue mixed with sawdust, which kind of worked, and I'll put a picture of what it looked like after we got it all sanded down. It wasn't going to stain very well, so what I ended up doing was take my Dremel tool and just carving this out just, I don't know, very slightly in the shape of that big hole. And I did what we did with the neck here, just use my soon-to-be patented paper wood filler, and just I used black. Then I took some wood filler, so I left a little bit, you know, I didn't fill it all the way in, and I took some wood filler and, you know, just topped it off and sanded it back. So I got this, you know, almost wood colored looking patch there now. Sorry I didn't make a video of me sanding, but sanding is easy. I just have my sheet sander here from Walmart, the Hyper Touch sander. You get 60 grit sandpaper sheet, put it on there. So 60 grit, and then 150 grit, and then finally 220. Got that real smooth, and we'll do some staining now. Staining's the next step. So